ensem emo na emaya wo ewo MPP abonyokuo di mu ewo Ashaiman na ebi akeka wo ho abomu a wodi adehwede mu odon to Ghana mampanyi His Excellency na Narudan Kwakufu adwanim se wosrada abana musini ye wo Ashaiman Albert Ochre opanyi nyade se adwuma na wo ye no wo hunu so asa de enhyada nko yie ma no enema a wo ye no ho no no won hyada ntumi nsi gina ye bia nti no ebe yanka mampanyi ni hwe na wontu na de so fofoforo enhye.
Women organizers are womo ewo Ashaiman HRC Mensili Krachi Albert Ochre ama posifu abeche NPP branch woman organizer Juliana Amekaba akwawura wode abono ene se wo kanse bifa no ho a enye nokre eno ene mayi echiremu a Mensili Krachi ene womo eni ni yie senti ewo se ni enimo yi ano wokoka bi na maame Juliana utimi eyi ne befie esansafi ene wo foforo kra ne ba etie no fo ano womo nsem a wode tudwa
man organizer o man here constituency MC no all how here yan woman organizer by one kura in the woman organizer be day almost day be woman organizer be the osi day oba de oba be boamba one penasem oba de yan mbanti no buy ade ose de ogina do no de memba na ye de adwuma omba ye kaka na wa dan asam ye ko MC wa wo cross door da one penny my yemba ho his woman organizer only dimbe nim wa Ashaiman ha
enwachi titrenia woda NPP amanyoko ni mu Ashaiman na baton pesua so Alexander Amano enso editu jase Mensili Krachi chira wo maye chire Adom frefoi wanya de kra e wo musa posifu ama ne build ye enso wode hyehye ye egu akwamu a obetimi aboma me Juliana sebe ya tentrene ebe ye adwuma.
Police will not allow. Then of course what we have already withdrawn, we will bring it back for police to reinstate and send all to court for the fairness. So we are here for the sake of our dear sister that she has been detained since morning, that even how to feed the baby become difficult. That is why we are here. Finally, we thank God that police have granted the bail. Well, they say we will go to court. We will go. The court or the law lie in the bosom of the judge to determine, and we are ready for that.